To know all about it, don't skip any part. Like and subscribe to my channel. Recently, TikTok added a new feature. Now, how to get it? Quickly open your TikTok app, then click on this plus icon here. Then tap Text here to make a new text video. Now, here type something. Now, you have many options here. Font type, centering, bold outer, color, size. Make your edit, then click Done up here. Now from the top, click to add music and choose what you want. Now to change the background color, click this to open the side menu. Then tap again and again on this icon to change it. Finally, you can add background image from stickers here. Then click on this icon right here. Now choose what you want. If you need to remove the background, click here. Wait. Then click OK here. Then click Pause to feed. And here we are. That's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.